Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over our Dollar General clearance event deals part 4. And in this one, we're going to be talking about all of the food deals. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just in case you haven't heard, we have an amazing Dollar General clearance event happening this weekend. It's going to start on Friday, June the 9th and run through Sunday, June the 11th. Now, if you haven't paid attention, I have been uploading videos all week long to get you ready for this event. So if you have missed out on any of these videos, make sure that you go and check them out. There are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of deals that you are not going to want to miss out on. So I'm going to have all of those listed and linked for you in the pinned comment down below, so make sure that you go and check them out. Now, next up, I want you guys to make sure that you check all of your Dollar General digital couponing accounts, because Dollar General has sent out some 3 off 15 DG store coupons. Now, unfortunately, not all DG accounts received this digital coupon, but if you did, you can find it under your wallet, and there should be a just for you category. So click on that and see if you have a 3 off 15 on your account. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into these food deals. And let me just go ahead and warn you guys, we have an absolute ton of food deals included in this DG clearance event. Now, keep in mind that it is going to depend on your store. The majority of Dollar General stores will be an additional 50% off, but some out there are going to be an additional 70% off. So the number one thing to remember is to always scan before you go up to the register, and make sure that you have your correct Dollar General store location set on your Dollar General app. Now, another really important thing that I want you all to remember, especially when you are purchasing food items, is to always double check the expiration dates. Number one, the Dollar General employees do not have to sell you expired food. And number two, you just don't want to get home and have a 2-year-old expired bag of chips that smells like dust. Trust me, I learned that the hard way a couple of clearance events back when I purchased some Cheetos, and they were literally from 2020. So always double check your expiration dates before you go up to the register. Now, I also wanted to address a question that was left for me on yesterday's video. Somebody asked if I could show them the POG clearance items because nothing was tagged or marked at their store. So here's some really good news for you all. All of these items that I have been showing you guys all week long are all POG clearance items. So if they are still on the shelf in their regular spot, they should, in theory, have a 10% off clearance tag underneath the regular price tag. However, especially with food items, I'm noticing that a lot of these items are not marked and they have not been moved over into the clearance section. Now, you might run across a store where the employees have went up and down every single aisle and they have everything tagged and perfectly marked for you. Or you might run across the store where they have taken all of the POG clearance items and moved them over into their clearance section. And both of those stores would be wonderful to shop at during the Dollar General clearance events. However, you might run across some stores where nothing is tagged at all and all the items are still sitting on the shelf in their regular spot, just as if they were still full price. And for me personally, those kind of stores are my favorite, because as long as you do your homework, you watch the videos, and you know what to look for, you are going to have a huge advantage over other clearance event shoppers. And like I said, I'm not quite sure what it is, but it seems like a lot of stores have just completely overlooked all the POG clearance food items, because at most of the stores that I have visited over the past month or so, I am still seeing a ton of food items, and they're just sitting right there unmarked. All right, now we're almost halfway through the video, and I know that my most loyal subscribers never skip through the videos and they always watch the videos all the way through. So I wanted to sneak in a quick little surprise for you all. I haven't seen this out there, but while I was running through and checking all of these items for us, I did find a penny item. So you guys are going to see that here in just a few seconds. And again, I want to say I do not know when this pennied out, but it must have been pretty recent. So definitely be on the lookout for the Clover Valley Country Sunrise ground coffee, and the UPC code was on your screen there for you. Definitely be on the lookout for that. And again, I want to thank you guys, those of you who watch the videos all the way through and leave thumbs up and leave me comments in the comment section. It really does help me out. It helps me out more than you guys know, and I've explained this before on my channel. You just don't know. You don't know the power that you all have. So thank you all so much for watching the videos all the way through and supporting this channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, since I've already kind of brought up the topic of penny shopping, I will go ahead and let y'all know that, in my opinion, during these Dollar General clearance events, this is one of the best times to go penny shopping, because a lot of stores will bring out these big gray totes from the back, and those are all just discontinued items. I mean, you could find penny items from 3 years ago. I mean, it is absolutely crazy, and you could really hit a huge jackpot. For example, I believe it was last year, I ran into this store during a clearance event. They had the table set up front. They had all kinds of awesome deals, and then underneath they had some gray totes. I looked under there and I could not believe what I was seeing. Right in front of me, an entire gray tote completely full of 4th of July party supplies. So paper plates, cups, napkins, the whole 9 yards. I literally could not believe what I was looking at. Y'all, I threw that stuff in my buggy so fast, I bet that employee thought I was absolutely crazy. So while you're out and about, don't forget about those penny items, because man, we have had some really good penny lists over the last few weeks especially. So again, be on the lookout, scan. And if you want to go back and refresh your memory, I do have a penny list playlist for you, and that'll be linked for you in the pinned comment down below as well. All right, now we are almost to the end of this video. Man, does time fly when you're having fun, am I right? So I want to go ahead and give you guys a little heads up on what to expect from me going forward. I am going to have a video up first thing Friday morning, so y'all make sure that you check back with me on that. I still have a ton of deals that I have to tell you all about, so make sure that you stay tuned. And I also wanted to show you guys really quickly, just in case you didn't know, if you click on my name, Craz-E Coupons, right down below this video, click on my name, and that is going to take you to my full YouTube channel. Then you're going to come to a page that looks like this right here. If you click on videos, that is going to list all of my videos out for you all, from the newest to the oldest. And also right up there at the top, you can find all of the short videos that I've posted, all of my playlists that I've put together for you all, as well as the community tab. So if you guys are ever looking for some more crazy couponing content, that is how you get to my YouTube page. And of course, if you have a specific question, if you're looking for something specific, you can always leave a comment down below, or you can send it to my email. All that information is in the pinned comment underneath every video, so it's really easy to find. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on your notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.